Okay, so you can see AudioCircle Berlin double voice coil 10-inch. Wow, but this car very special, the design. Oh, got demo for you to see 3 new products. Bliesna, I don't know. So it's new in Malaysia. So the owner here, he placed these 3 products. I think this is a DSP amp. So he's using this DSP amp now for the front AudioCircle. Yep. And this one is using, if I'm not mistaken, a Zvox Class D amp to power it. So yeah, very nice. So this one later he will revamp everything. So now just do it like this for demo a bit. Yeah, let me give you a side angle. Close up of this 10-inch from AudioCircle. Nicely done. Come, we go in front and see the 3-way. Okay, so we are in the MX pula, Mazda CX5. So here you go, the Hamburg Line. Nicely done. That's why I say this car super clean. You see, nothing one. You know, some car got sticker here lah, got the one diffuser lah, blah blah blah. See, super clean, all clean. Pillar also simple, neat. You know, what Alcantara. Oh, simple. Then this one is the Hamburg Line with the Twitter. Let me close up for you. That's how we did talk a bit. So yeah, so if you go for competition, also very nice. You see, 4 cm, janji lepas. You know, standard place for 6.5-inch. Also Hamburg Line, all the 3 ways. So nothing much to share here because it's too clean. Everything is hidden, nicely done, pillars, everything. We go straight to the sound sampling time. Okay, we're going to give you some sound sampling time. Apple CarPlay. Okay, so we play Hungry Bird from Emma. Here we go, touchscreen. Let's go.